Hi everyone, welcome to RMS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to find out your YouTube subscriber in your YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel by clicking this red button here and press the bell button so that you can get my videos earlier than anybody. First of all, you have to log into your YouTube account. So I have already logged in. So once you log into your YouTube account, you can see your YouTube channel over here on the right side corner. You can see. Just click on here. So once you click, you can see YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio and you can see on the bottom recent subscriber. So if you are a mobile user, from your mobile phone, you have to go to log into your YouTube account from Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox. So once you log in, it will come mobile view. So from the bottom, you have to select desktop view. Then you can see this interface. So once you see this interface, so go to you can see the recent subscriber. Click see all. So you can see your subscribers here. So 90 days subscriber are showing here. Just click on lifetime if you want to see all of your subscriber. Select 50 per page so you can see maximum numbers of subscriber in single page. So it's pretty simple. So that's all actually. If you like my video, please subscribe it. And I'm going to publish more video about YouTube and online earning. So please press bell icon as well so that when I publish any new video, you will get it earlier than anybody. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.